How to easily connect your Forex account to Myfxbook. Step 1. Open your browser and go to myfxbook.com. If you don't have an account yet, quickly sign up and it's free. Once you're signed up, tap your profile icon and select Add Account. Step 2. You'll see a few options like MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and others. Pick the one that matches your broker and trading platform. Let's say you used MT4. Click on MetaTrader 4. Step 3. Now, enter your account name, broker name, server, and your read-only investor password, not your main trading password. This keeps everything secure and prevents any unauthorized trades. Step 4. Once submitted, Myfxbook will connect and sync with your Forex account. This may take a few minutes, so be patient. Once connected, you'll start seeing live stats, charts, and trade analysis. Step 5. Now, head to your MyFX dashboard. You can track your profits, drawdown, win ratio, and more. Use this data to tweak your strategy and make smarter decisions. And that's it.